Please wait momentarily.
Normal programming has been a request of the U.S. government. Everyone receiving this broadcast should pay close attention. The information contained in this broadcast is vital to your safety. Please stand by.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The United States has been subjected to a nuclear attack. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 12 nuclear missiles aimed to the mainland United States. 4 of the 12 missiles launched have been intercepted. The 8 remaining nuclear missiles will strike the following locations in the next 15 to 20 minutes: Los Angeles, San Diego, Chicago, Houston, Phoenix, New York City, Philadelphia and Seattle. Within a 300-mile radius of these areas, everyone should seek a fallout shelter as soon as possible. Nuclear fallout is byproduct of nuclear attacks, and prolonged exposure will almost certainly kill you.